Welcome back to Fit Fin Relate. 30-day workout challenge for beginners. Get fit at home. Are you looking to kickstart your fitness journey from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. In this video, we present a 30-day workout challenge designed specifically for beginners. Whether you're new to exercise or looking to get back into shape, this challenge will guide you through a progressive, yet achievable, series of workouts that target different muscle groups and improve your overall fitness. Join us on this 30-day journey and let's get fit together. Welcome to our 30-day workout challenge for beginners. Are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier and fitter lifestyle? With our carefully designed exercise plan, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can achieve your fitness goals right from the comfort of your own home. So let's dive in and get started. Are you looking to get fit but don't know where to begin? Our 30-day workout challenge is perfect for beginners just like you. This program is specifically designed to gradually build your strength and stamina, ensuring that you progress at a comfortable pace. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve in just 30 days. Day 1 4 Full Body Cardio. On day 1 through 4, we'll kickstart your challenge with a full body cardio workout. This routine will get your heart pumping and energize your entire body. We'll be incorporating a variety of exercises such as jumping jacks, high knees, and mountain climbers to get your blood flowing and boost your metabolism. Day 5 9 Core Strength. As we progress to day 5, it's time to focus on your core strength. A strong core is essential for maintaining stability and proper posture. In today's workout, we'll be targeting your abdominal muscles and obliques through a series of exercises like planks, Russian twists, and bicycle crunches. Remember, proper form is key, so listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Day 10 19 Upper Body Strength. You've made it to day 10. By now, you're already starting to feel stronger and more resilient. Today's workout will focus on your upper body strength. We'll be using dumbbells or household items like water bottles to perform exercises such as bicep curls, tricep dips, and push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do all the reps at first, just do your best and keep pushing yourself. Day 20 29 Lower Body Toning. Congratulations on reaching day 20. By now, you're well into your fitness journey, and it's time to focus on toning your lower body. Squats, lunges, and glute bridges will be your best friends for today's workout. These exercises will help sculpt your legs, tighten your glutes, and strengthen your lower body. Get ready to feel the burn. Day 30 Full Body Challenge. It's the final day of our 30-day workout challenge for beginners. Congratulations on making it this far. To wrap up the challenge, we have an intense full body workout that will test your endurance and leave you feeling accomplished. Combining elements from our previous workouts, this routine will challenge your entire body and showcase how far you've come in just 30 days. And that's a wrap on our 30-day workout challenge for beginners. We hope you've enjoyed this fitness journey as much as we have. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your goals, so keep up the great work beyond these 30 days. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who are looking to embark on their own fitness journey. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching.